Dear Pisces people, welcome to Know Thyself YouTube channel. Hope you all are staying safe and keeping well in this difficult time. This short video presents a spiritual message for you for the month of July. I use the Power of Love activation cards to guide me with this message. The message focuses on some of the attitudes you need to have within you to power your love and give expression to it in every aspect of your life as you enter into and live through the month of July. Since it is a general message, it may not resonate with all of you. Please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. I have pulled out 4 cards after shuffling the card well and praying to the divine to give you the message you really need as you enter into the month of July. The theme of the first card is vision. The description on the card reads, no matter what, you see the bigger picture of a loving, just universe. Despite the fact that everything is not wonderful in your life, you are able to see the world through a spiritual vision. This spiritual vision enables you to see beyond the physical, the larger picture that this world is directed and guided by the divine, who is just and loving. This perception lets you see miracles happening in your everyday life. With the help of your higher intellect and intuition, you are able to see moments of grief, loss, and sorrow as experiences which make you grow. You are able to accept them and live through these moments reasonably well because your spiritual vision helps you to believe in the divine guidance of this world and your life. Guided by the divine who is loving and just, you will be enabled to pedal through these tough situations with the inner ease and calmness. The theme of the second card is joy. The description on the card reads, you delight in the love of life and bring a spirit of fun to all that you do. Your higher spiritual vision and your faith in the divine guidance of the world and your life form the foundation of your joyful and cheerful spirit. Despite the tragic and difficult situations you have encountered in your life, the divine presence in your life brings you contentment, serenity, and spiritual confidence to cope with demanding and troublesome situations of life with a joyful spirit. You know well that the difficult situations and the hardest lessons serve your highest good. You realize the so-called struggles happen in life so that you can conquer them and come through the experience of victory and triumph, feeling happy and proud of your actions. The theme of the third card is gratitude. The description on the card reads, you fully appreciate the invaluable lessons that life lovingly presents to you. Your spiritual vision and faith in the divine guidance of your life and the world makes you a thankful person. The attitude of gratitude lets you acknowledge and appreciate the role the universe plays in everything that happens in your life, whether good or bad, because these experiences help you to grow and evolve. Gratitude helps you to see the heartbreaks that occur in the physical dimension of your life, not as misfortunes inflicted on you, but as lessons to be learned as you have a glimpse of the higher picture through your spiritual vision. The attitude of gratitude also helps you to focus on what you have rather than what you lack. The theme of the fourth card is self-love. The description on the card reads, you realize that love of self is necessary to love another. Your spiritual vision, joyful spirit in living your life, and gratitude are largely centered on the divine. That you seem to consider yourself as an extension of or an appendix to the divine. You seem not to focus on yourself, but on the larger picture your spiritual vision provides you. Hence, the fourth card reminds you that self-love is necessary to love the other, including the divine. You must remember that the quality of love you give out is in par with the quality of love you have for yourself. So love yourself with the same intensity with which you love other humans and the divine. You must love even your weaknesses as much as you love your strengths, for your weaknesses are your teachers and stepping stones in your spiritual evolution. They help you to learn, grow, and evolve. Dear Pisces friends, during the month of July, the universe is calling you to focus on loving, caring, and cherishing yourself. As the saying goes, you cannot love somebody else until you love yourself. While allowing your spiritual vision to guide your spiritual journey and living your life in the spirit of joy and gratitude, the universe does not want you to forget yourself. For genuine self-love helps you to make a self-donation of yourself to others. May the divine shower you with abundant blessings that you may learn to love the divine and the humans with the quality of love with which you love yourself. This is my wish and prayer for you for the month of July. Please like, comment, subscribe, and click the notification button. Thank you very much for watching the video. Stay blessed until we see you again with another video.